This is not a thing that why are you saying like that? I know you are for you.
Thank God you remember me. I am your childhood friend.
Oh yeah, why are you saying I did it? But you also understand me now that I am.
We have two beautiful fairies, and they are going to have telephonic conversation. One of them is angry; she doesn't want to talk to others. So let's see how they perform.
Hello,
Who are you?
I'm your friend Roshni. Why?
Oh, you remember I am your friend.
Yes, I'm your friend. Why are you saying like that?
Because you never send any kind of message and you never receive my call. That's why I'm saying like that.
No, this is not truth. I always pick up your call. I see your message always.
I have screenshots.
You have
You are
screenshot.
never yet any read on Instagram.
No, yaar, you are wrong. That I always see
You always said I am wrong. You never said that you are wrong. Why?
you know na yaar, that I am very busy.
Yes, I know you are very busy with your husband, your childs. But even I call you, you receive any one call.
Yeah.
Why are you not call me?
No, yaar, this is not a thing. That why are you saying like that? I know you are very angry on me. It's okay that I'm. You know na that I'm very
You don't
busy.
have time to call me, but you have time to go with your another friends with any place.
Okay, I accept my things that I did it. But you also understand me now that I am also
There is
busy.
any kind of thing that I understand you. You don't understand me. Why I am call you?
Why are you
I am free.
Why are you scolding why are you scolding me like your husband whenever you fight with your husband you are scolding me like that. Yes, why are you scolding me like that?
Okay, I am not scold you, but try to understand me why I am call you because I miss you. But
Okay.
you never miss me.
Okay, let it be. Okay, I'm inviting you in my house for the dinner. Will you
Oh.
come?
You have time now.
Yes, I have, of course. You are my childhood friend. Why I will not
Oh.
call you? I have surprise for you.
Thank God you remember me. I am your childhood friend.
Oh yeah, why are you saying like that? I have a surprise that I have your favorite dish.
Oh, you remember it? I think you have forgot all the things about myself.
I know, yeah, absolutely, I know that. You know, you like water balls too much. In the childhood, whenever we go to the school, we ate all the times.
Okay.
Okay, we will see you soon. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
We will. Bye.